What's going on, everyone? Today we have another sneaker for you, and today it is the Nike Air VaporMax 2021 Flyknit SEs. Now, I've bought this in my usual size, which is the UK 7.5, and as you can see here, no tissue paper. No tissue paper. Why? Because it's part of the Move to Zero pack. But where is the box, the brown box? It comes in an ordinary box, but no tissue paper. Anyways, here's the sneakers themselves. It is just like any other VaporMax 2021 Flyknit that you've seen so far. The only difference being is this is the SE model. This is the anniversary edition, and you can tell by the colors, the teal, the turquoise. I mean, just looks wise, I think, for me personally, this is so far the best looking VaporMax colorway that I've seen so far. Yeah, I mean, look at the laces. Even the laces are quite nice. They're very different. But yeah, I mean, this is my second VaporMax so far. I've had one before and I've reviewed it, and I didn't really like that one because of the way the air unit felt on my feet. It felt like walking on bubble wrap. I really want to give it another try because I really like the colorway. It's just something about the teal and the turquoise. Anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, comfort is there, right? I mean, the sock liner is really soft. It's snug at the same time. It's snug enough to keep your feet insecure. And because of the fabric, it just feels so comfortable. And the entire sneaker just feels like another sock. It feels very soft. And that's one thing I love about the VaporMax Flyknits. But the big but, the air unit. The air unit is not for me. I just couldn't get used to them. I don't know why. I tried. I really have tried to like them, but mission failed. They make this strange noise as well every time you step on the floor. It doesn't feel like an Air Max 90 or an Air Max 720. When you step in one of those, you have to balance, you have to grip, you have the sturdiness. But with this one, it's not the same. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Who knows? Maybe I'm the weird one. But I will keep these. You know, they will not be sold on. They will not be returned. I will keep them because of the colorway. Because of the colorway. That's the only reason, really. Will I wear these one day? Who knows? Maybe. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys on the next one.